Going up.
Okay. Go for it. Interesting.
Hold on. Got a bumper. I'm willing to bet this was a vintage black button.
3.
3.
Nice bumper.
This is located at 100 O'Connor. Interesting height difference between the shaft door and the cab door. Let's just head down the one. That's obnoxious. Very minuscule elevator.
That size nice.
1,700 pound capacity. This thing's kind of boring.
It is kind of boring. It's kind of a disappointment.
These are fixtures. If you look here, the interlock plate's kind of falling off. Whoa. Hold on.
Whoa. Jesus Christ.
It's a broken bumper. Hold on.
Did you just break it?
Oh, now it works.
That's really weird.
Anyways, there's that piece of junk.
What? The door doesn't want to close. That's it.